Hey everyone, welcome to Mix It Up Art. Today we are going to be making this sunset over the mountains using chalk pastels and tempera paint. To get started, you're going to get a sheet of purple construction paper and I want you to hold it landscape style so it's wider side to side than it is up and down. We're going to start with our chalk pastels and a piece of red chalk. And what I want you to do is use the side of your chalk and just draw a big rainbow line going from one side to the other. Then you want to thicken it up on the bottom by just adding in a couple more layers. Next, we're going to get a piece of orange chalk and do the same thing just beneath the red. And finally, we're going to use some yellow and put some yellow beneath the orange. Now we want to blend the colors together, so using one finger, you're going to blend in a zigzag pattern. With the red at the top, you want to try to make this rounded again, so you're just going to bring your finger on the top and just blend it side to side. I'm going to add a little more yellow in the middle. You'll know you're done blending when the colors kind of gradually fade from one to the next and you don't have any lines. Once that happens, you're going to tap off the extra chalk, and now we're ready to start painting. You're going to be using a medium-sized paintbrush and you want to get some black paint. You're going to start about where the red starts with the mountain, and you're going to paint zigzags that go down to about the middle of your paper, right at the bottom of the yellow portion in the middle. Then at the bottom, you're going to gradually paint some zigzags up to the other side of the top of the red. I think it's fun to add some big zigzags, medium-sized and small. Now what we're going to do is paint in the entire bottom of the paper from that zigzag line down. You want to make sure that the entire bottom of your paper is painted completely black. Go back and make sure that if you need to touch up any of the areas over top of the chalk, that you do that as well. Now we're almost done. The last thing that we're going to do is use the handle of our paintbrush and get some white paint. And we're just going to add in some little dots in the purple space for stars. And that's it. That's all there is to our sunset over a mountain. Don't forget, if you want to leave me a comment or tweet me a picture, to follow me on Twitter at MixItUpArt. And as always, have fun.